Hi guys, today's video is about everything and anything you need to know about Grain's 5G Wi-Fi services in South Africa. Now, the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the Rain website. So let's type in Rain Wi-Fi. You'll be greeted with 3 Rain options that they offer. First being the $4.99, second being $6.99, and third being $9.99. Now, I went for the $9.99 just because it's the best, and I use all of I use the speeds, and they promise to up to 1,000 megabytes per second, which is insane for South African Wi-Fi currently. So you have to check, are you in the area? So obviously here's your little map. You're gonna type in your address, which is obviously, I'm not going to type in my main address, but you can currently see the map, and you have to make sure you are 5G compatible, because Rain 4G, quite frankly, isn't the best. After that, you check your coverage, you sign up, and you get the product. A box, another box, and another box. Oh no. Instructions, a LAN cable, a power cable, and finally the router. The SIM card, and finally the OpenSIM. This router has a power output, and as you can see, it has 2 LAN ports and a phone port for some reason. Now, I'm not really into routers, but this modern design style really adds character to this product. I mean, it even looks nice in my kitchen. Because of the small size and the compactness, this router really blends in anywhere. Now aesthetically, I really have to give it to ZTE. There's finally a nice looking router on the market. Now for the moment that we've all been waiting for, how fast is this little thing? Now I have to add, this isn't with Wi-Fi, it is with a LAN cable. Now it is a bit cloudy today. I'm not sure if that can influence the speed, but there you go. Now I decided to connect my TV to the Wi-Fi, obviously to see if it can run 4K, and I'm happy to announce that it has run 4K without any buffering. One drawback is that you need to make sure that your router always has signal, because if it doesn't, it can influence the speeds like this. Now, is this little router worth the price? Well, for sure, go for it. Now, if you enjoy this type of content, please let me know in the comments below and share it with some of your friends and family that you think might be interested in upgrading to Rain.